Hey everyone, Mike here from Work Truck West, and today we are featuring this 2020 Ford F550 service mechanics truck. So like I said, this truck here is a 2020. It only has 4,500 kilometers on it. So this is very much a unique build. So with it, we've put on a brand new service body. So you're getting pretty much a brand new service truck at a fraction of the cost. This chassis, XLT model, which means it's got lots of the nice creature comforts inside the cab, which you like. Crew cab version, full four doors, lots of room in the back for any passengers or for any out of town bags or any electric diagnostic tools or anything that you want to store inside the cab to keep it warm, secure, and dry as well. So on it, we've put on our brand new 11-foot aluminum mechanic service body. This particular body, full powder coat finish inside and out in all the cabinets. We've got 4 LED work lights around the outside, along with our LED beacon, LED buggy whip, both wired together for all your safety needs. And we've got our Cobra 5500 electrical hydraulic crane. So this particular crane will have about 21 feet of extension. It'll lift about 1,200 pounds at full extension and 5,500 pounds right beside the truck. On the back of the truck, you'll see our 19-inch workbench bumper. Great for working off of. We've got our bench vise. Currently it's on the passenger side. We got another vise receiver here on the driver's side so you can have it where you need it. We got our outriggers on both sides. This particular, the way it's set up, it's just our manual hand crankers, but we do have an optional item if you want to switch it over to hydraulic outriggers as well. Then on the passenger side, up top, you'll see our air system component. So this truck is already set up with the VMAC VR40 underhood air compressor, lots of air to run all of your tools. We got our 20-gallon air tank with the water separator. Coming down the front of the body is the air tank drain. So now let's take a deeper dive inside of the cabinets. All right, now taking a deeper dive inside the cabinets, we're back on the driver's side. Driver's side number 1, full 9-drawer tool chest. All the drawers, they lock in, they lock out. They got dividers inside to keep your tools separated the way you need to. We've also on the top, we got our 1700 watt inverter with the plugs up here, which means you can plug in your battery chargers or anything else, have them charging while you're going to the job site. We got our LED cabinet lights throughout the cabinets. The lights are purposely on the door in a dome style, which means it casts great light around the body, inside your drawers, inside your cabinets for any of that early morning, late night work that you're gonna need to do. Driver's side number 2, we got 3 adjustable shelves. We do have an optional 9-drawer chest to match this guy here that we can get installed in there if you want some more drawers. Driver's side number 3 is our over wheel cabinet. We got 2 pull-out drawers. Top drawers got pull-pin dividers inside the top. And then we also got a stainless steel work surface tray, which is great to put any parts or pieces or anything you need to work on. You got some nice cover with your flip-up door to keep you dry. And in the rear cabinet, this is our crane support cabinet. Inside of it, you'll see our 50-foot, half-inch Arctic airline. We've also got a 1-inch bulkhead fitting here if you want to run some larger airline on it, and our FLR, our filter, lubricator, regulator for the air system. And you'll also see the controller for our Cobra 5500 crane, wireless remote controls. Over on the back of the body, we got a rear hatch door for our air reel to come out the rear, which means you don't have to have this cabinet door open while you're operating your air system. And inside the load space, we got our 3-piece sliding lid. So this lid will slide from the back towards the front, but you can also slide it from the front towards the back if you need to drop anything into the load space near the front. We've got E-track running down either side. This is great for any J-hooks or rope rings or anything you want to secure to the walls. We got our chain hanger here on the driver's side with a protective flap. And we got our pry bar holder on the passenger side. So in our PS4 rear cabinet, we got 3 adjustable shelves. In our over wheels, we got 2 more pull-out bins. Top of it also has a bolt bin dividers. PS number 2, this is our oxyacetylene cabinet, full volt. full venting through our door, through the floor. We got E-track on the inside of the cabinet, which means you can secure your bottles in any orientation that you like inside of this cabinet. And we got a hose hanger on the door for your oxyacetylene hose. We do have an optional oxyacetylene reel we can get installed inside of this cabinet if you prefer to utilize a Springer line reel as well. And then our passenger side number one, 3 more adjustable shelves. Once again, we also have a 9-drawer tool chest option that can go in here to really maximize space for drawers. So like what I said, this package here, it's a 2020, only 4,500 kilometers on it. And if you're looking for a service truck for under 200 grand and you don't want to trust any of the other used trucks out there, this is the truck for you. So feel free to reach out. We're happy to send you a full proposal on this build. If you have any other questions or any other inquiries for any other trucks for your fleet, we're happy to discuss that with you as well. So reach out anytime. Thanks.